about the bin store on Facebook.
Okay.
Facebook. And different ones were sharing it, so that's how I kind of found out about it.
And so you were here last weekend?
I was here last week.
You find anything fun?
A lot of things,
Oh, yeah?
great things, bags. My customers love bags, so
Oh, okay.
that was a lot to help my business. So yeah, I found a lot of good things.
Yeah. So you have a business?
I have a business.
Okay. What kind of business?
It's basically accessories that I sell. So being able to come here and get things that's reasonable versus buying things at wholesale, I'm able to keep things affordable for my customers.
Yeah, that's fun.
It's
fun, go through finding crazy things.
Yeah, that's what I love. I love the joy of being there. It's like a search, a treasure hunt. That's what I like about it. Facebook, I do marketplace. I haven't tried eBay, but the majority of the time I'm doing marketplace.
Yeah. So you have good success with Facebook Marketplace for now?
Facebook, because I have like a private business, which I call it my VIP shoppers, where they get to see all the product first, they get to shop first.
Okay.
And then I have whatever that may not be something they're looking for, and then I try it on the marketplace. And I've been very successful with marketplace.
Okay. What's the name of your business?
Sparkling.
Sparkling. What's your Facebook?
It's Sparkling.
What are you hoping to find today? You see the preview pictures?
No, I'm just a person. I like to be excited, so I don't want to say I'm going for this or that. I just want them to really. I just want to be surprised.
Yeah. That's fun. Yeah. So hair products, jewelry, makeup.
All that is me.
Yeah. I think last week there was like a whole bin that was just makeup right in the front. So
that's what my customers looking for, because a lot of times it's more expensive. They try to buy something.
Yeah.